In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively start a new conversation using the Perplexity interface with the advanced GPT-5 model. This walkthrough is designed not only to get you up and running, but to also make the most of this sophisticated tool, ensuring you have all the context you need to navigate it seamlessly. First things first, let's delve into opening Perplexity. Whether you're doing this on your computer or your mobile device, this can typically be accomplished by launching the app or navigating to the site in your web browser. Once Perplexity is open, you're on your way to exploring the fascinating capabilities it offers. Now, from the main page, find the option to start a new chat. This is crucial because it allows you to initiate a session wherein you can ask questions and receive answers in real time, with customized responses tailored to your input. Take a moment to locate the Ask Anything box. It's a prominent feature on the interface and is essentially where the magic begins. This is your main input area, where you usually type any questions or prompts you want the model to address. No matter how simple or complex your query may be, this is the starting point for all interactions. The next step on our journey is to look for the model selector. This element of the interface may be positioned in different spots depending on updates or changes in interface design, but it's generally accessible. Don't worry if it's not immediately apparent. A bit of scrolling or clicking around might be necessary. Once you've found the model selector, it's time to make a critical choice. Here, you'll select GPT-5 from the list of available models. This model represents the cutting edge of conversational AI, offering enhanced understanding and more nuanced responses. Remember, selecting the right model can significantly impact the quality and relevance of the answers you receive, especially for complex queries. Now that you've set up everything, you're ready to ask your question. This is the moment you've prepared for. In the Ask Anything box, type out your question clearly. A practical example might be, summarize pneumonia symptoms for nursing students using GPT 4.0. Don't hesitate to be as specific as you need when entering your query. Details can help fine-tune the answer. Once your question is ready, simply press the Enter key. The model will process your input and deliver an informative, thoughtful response tailored to your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to starting a chat and getting answers with Perplexity's GPT-5. With practice, you'll find that interacting with this tool becomes second nature, opening up a world of information and possibilities. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.